offers a unique approach to evaluating service quality across various industries. By employing trained professionals to assess customer experiences discreetly, businesses gain invaluable insights into their operations. These mystery shoppers provide detailed feedback on everything from employee interactions to product presentation, allowing companies to identify strengths and areas for improvement. This method not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also drives performance, ensuring that businesses remain competitive in a rapidly evolving marketplace. Unlock your business potential with our elite team of experts. At Mystery Shopping and Business Consulting Hub, we don't just analyze your business, we transform it. What makes us different? We've assembled a powerhouse team of industry specialists, each bringing years of experience in luxury hospitality, retail, e-commerce, AI-powered marketing, and business consulting. Our experts don't just identify gaps, they deliver customized solutions that drive real results. We don't just leave you with a report.
I walk in the door, ain't nobody knows my name. Just another face playing the customer game. Got my eyes wide open, got my notebook in my hand. Gonna test your service, see if your business can stand. I'm a mystery shopper, yeah, I see it all. From the front desk smile to the late night call. Hidden problems, hidden pain. I break it down so you can rise again.
We partner with you to ensure that our recommendations are effectively implemented. Once achieved, we proudly provide an official customer service certification, a prestigious mark of excellence that elevates your brand's trustworthiness. This certification not only enhances your credibility, but also reassures your customers across various sectors, from luxury hospitality to tech-driven companies. Together, we can transform your customer experience and set new standards in your industry. Who we work with: luxury hospitality and VIP services, retail and e-commerce, beauty, wellness, and health brands, government and public services, tech and AI-driven companies. Why choose us? Expertise you can trust. Over 17 years of experience in marketing technology, customer experience optimization, and business consulting. Results-driven. We don't just talk the talk, we deliver measurable ROI and help your business grow. Innovation at its core, using AI, automation, and data insights to keep you ahead of competitors. Tailored solutions. Every audit, strategy, and recommendation is customized to meet your business needs. Let's elevate your business together. If you're ready to turn insights into action and take your customer experience to the next level, reach out today.
I taste the welcome, the upsell, the care in your tone. Check the way you handle complaints on the phone. From the checkout line to the VIP suite. If you cutting corners, I'll be seeing the receipts. I'm the mystery shopper, yeah, I see it all. From the front desk smile to the late night call. Hidden problems, hidden pain. I break it down so you can rise again.